I experience the wholeness of God. For we know in part, and we prophesy in part. But when that which is perfect is come, then that which is in part shall be done away. 1 Corinthians 13:9. How true it is that we do see as through a glass, darkly, or only in part. But to all of us, there come fleeting moments when our inward vision is opened, and we seem to look out upon a newer and broader horizon. The Apostle tells us that when that which is perfect shall come, then that which is in part shall be done away. What he really is saying is that we are all at a certain place in our evolution, but that there is a complete certainty before us. We shall continuously expand and experience more and more of that life that already is perfect. But there is no reason why this awakening shall not come now, for we are not really waiting on God. God is waiting on us. Behold, I stand at the door and knock. All nature waits our recognition, and even the divine spirits must await our cooperation with it. Today my eyes are open more widely, and I look out upon a broader horizon. Across all the experiences I may have had that were limited or unpleasant, I now see the rosy hue of a new dawn. Letting go of that which is little, I now enter into a larger concept of life. Dropping all fear, I entertain faith, realizing that every form of uncertainty is seeing only in part. I open my spiritual eyes to that which is wholeness. And even as I do this, the limitation, the fear, and the doubt slip away from my experience, taking their departure in quietness and in peace as I turn to that which is greater and better and fuller of eternal life, of happiness, and of peace. Today my eyes are open to the breadth and the height and the depth of life that is God, life that is good, and law that is perfect.